friends, welcome to my WordPress tutorial. We'll be talking about the points which we discussed in the last, but I will now go live and will be telling you all the the things which we discussed in the last video. Okay, the first thing that was what is difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. Look here. Okay, I have opened all the websites. So look here. This is WordPress.org. You will go to the Google Chrome and you will write just WordPress.org and you will be redirected to this website. So this is WordPress.org. As I was speaking that this website is my recommendation and it's very beautiful. You can create beautiful websites, blogs and biggest news site online. If you look here, 35% of the web uses WordPress, from the hobby blogs to the biggest news sites online. So that's a very amazing really. Okay, and if we look upon these features, so here it is customizable designs. If we make website by using WordPress.org, it will be customizable. Will be easy to customize that website, and it is SEO friendly. Responsive mobile sites. Responsive mobile site means when you open that site in your mobile phone, okay, it should be fast. It should be loaded fast and it should move. Means there should not be any kind of difficulties about I can say user experience. I can say the display. Okay, resolution on display. So responsive mobile sites means if we open in mobile, it should be that it should be nice looking over there, and high performance, high security is there, powerful media management is over there. Okay, is this, and there are many plugins which we will be using. Okay, plugins and themes. So this is, and you can see over 60 million people have chosen WordPress to power the place on the web they call home. Join the family. So this is what WordPress.com. My recommendation is always WordPress.org, and we will inshallah be learning all about this website, and will be installing this WordPress on hosting and localhost. Inshallah, will be understanding and learning these all things. This is WordPress.org. If you see here, there are themes, plugins, okay, and hosting also. But as I've discussed, but here in this website you will get themes and plugins for free. Okay, there are millions of themes and plugins which are free and from this WordPress.org directory. And if we go for the WordPress.com, look here, this is the WordPress.com. Start your website. It's just self-hosted, I can say, as I discussed above, but I'm just showing you what I told you. Build a site, sell your stuff, start a blog, and so much more. So this is what you will just find pages and sites like this you're looking here. Okay, and these are the features. Kindly look here. You can find your fans, turn your site into store, e-commerce, built-in marketing. But here you have, okay, you can, as I said, you can start for free. Best for getting started. You can start for free in this, as I told you in that video. So if you're going to start a blog, if you're a beginner, then you must go for this. But if you want to run a successful and complex blog, if you want to make money, then I would strongly recommend you to use WordPress.org. Okay, so this is the difference between them. And this, if I this was the, so Yeah, let me tell you. So this was the difference between them. After that, now I would like to speak on the very important thing, that is hosting. Actually, what is hosting? Hosting is nothing but online storage, cloud storage, I can say. The storage which is cloud, okay, which is not in your computer. So that cloud storage, if we are want to make websites, okay, who will be uploading our data, so that data will be storage. The data will be, okay, stored in that storage, in that I can say that online storage or cloud storage. So that's why hosting is very much important for running a website. If you do not have hosting, you cannot run a website. So hosting is very much important for running website. Hosting and also domain. Domain is just, I can say, its name. Like if I say any website, like look here, this is wordpress.org, so this is domain, wordpress.org. If you look any website, if I say relianceconstruction.co, if I say techguru.com, if I say there are many, means the names which are given, okay, in that hosting, that is domain. Okay, if we look here, wordpress.com is also domain. So also domain is also needed, and hosting is also needed for running a website. So let's talk about hosting. Okay, which kind of hosting we should we buy from the hosting provider company. So I would like to discuss about three website which provide hosting. Okay, the first one is Bluehost. It's a really amazing, with amazing features, and really, if you ask, my recommendation is for Bluehost. And not only my recommendation, but it is also recommended by wordpress.org. It is the best, I can say, hosting, best hosting. Okay, it's very also uh, easy, okay, cheap, I can say. Okay, starting at 2.75 per month. If you look, okay, if you go features, why Bluehost, you should go through, okay, you should go through this website. And I would like to tell you what things you have to see when you buy or purchase Bluehost. First thing, that you should see that is it one click WordPress installation, as this means there should be installation, there should be possible, okay, for installation of WordPress. And also there should be load time. You have to see the what is the load time, uptime of that website, uptime, load time, and also bandwidth. Okay, if we look here, and the second is SiteGround. This is also a second, okay, my recommendation, I can say. SiteGround is also one of the best hosting. If you go and look through, okay, this website, you will understand each and everything. WordPress launch, WordPress transfer, security and updates. So this is what I'm telling you. If you go for plans, startup plan, grow big, go geek. If you wanted to run a beautiful and a successful website, then you must go for grow big. Okay, as you said, this is unlimited websites. You can make unlimited website from this subscription, 20 GB space, visit monthly, unmetered traffic, free WP installation, and WordPress auto depths, free SSL. We will be talking about what is SSL. It is for security. Okay, it is for security. So I will recommend you for grow big, and you all have to see about these all things. Third one is that is HostGator. It is also one of the best, I can say. It is also nice hosting provider company. If you see plans, subscription plan, you can look here, everything is in front of you. So these were the hostings provider companies which I told you. Okay, WordPress. But say if you ask my recommendation, then Bluehost is my recommendation. Remember this thing. So now I would like to tell you that website using WordPress. Which are that websites which are using WordPress? The first I can tell, that is, if you go for the White House. Okay, the White House. This website is made up of. Okay, this website is made by WordPress. It's running. Okay, on this thing, on WordPress. And if you look Toyota, that is also a website which is also made by, I can say, WordPress. Look, very beautiful one. And I will inshallah show you all these things. I will be making WordPress sites, you will be seeing. Okay, and if you see, the third is Harvard University. The website of Harvard University is also made by, I can say, on this WordPress. Okay, this website also made on WordPress. I will be okay, doing all the things. And if you look for very amazing, I can say, BBC America, this website is also running on WordPress. Okay, this website is also running on WordPress. So you can imagine that how important it is, and very important, and you will happy. Okay, especially Pakistanis. Fuji FFC, do you know Fuji Fertilizer Company is also okay running on WordPress. So look here, how beautiful it is, huh? Very beautiful. You can imagine, huh? That's so nice. So I will be teaching you all these things. I'll be making WordPress websites for you, and I'll be teaching you each and everything. After taking my course, you will be able to make website of any kind. Okay, you can make like that, like this. You can make like this. Okay, you can make websites like this. You can make websites like this. So this was a short intro, and as I told also, but as for the hosting, I will not purchase hosting, because I will do all the work on my local host. Local host means the things which though that storage will be stored in my computer, in my PC. So that is called localhost. We can run. Okay, I will be teaching you how to use localhost. How to install WordPress on localhost. I will be teaching you in the coming lecture.